Welcome to Highway Legends. Today we're diving into a true legend of the motocross world, the Kawasaki KX 500. Known as one of the most powerful and iconic dirt bikes ever built, the KX 500 has a legacy that continues to inspire off-road enthusiasts and racers around the globe. With raw two-stroke power and a reputation for dominating desert and motocross tracks, this machine represents pure, unfiltered performance. Let's take a closer look at what makes the KX 500 an unforgettable force. Design and aesthetics. The Kawasaki KX 500 carries that classic motocross DNA, minimal bodywork, aggressive stance, and a lightweight frame built for speed and control. Its iconic green finish and bold graphics give it that unmistakable Kawasaki identity. The design prioritizes function over flash, focusing on durability and ease of movement for serious off-road performance. Every angle of the bike screams power and purpose, making it a timeless favorite among dirt bike purists. Performance and powertrain. At the heart of the KX 500 lies a legendary 499 cubic centimeters two-stroke engine that delivers blistering power and torque. Known for its explosive acceleration and raw energy, this engine was built for riders who crave adrenaline. The lightweight chassis, paired with a responsive suspension system, ensures excellent control even in the roughest terrains. Whether tearing through dunes or climbing steep trails, the KX 500's unmatched power-to-weight ratio keeps it ahead of the pack. Safety and technology. Though old-school in design, the KX 500 was built with precision engineering that ensures stability and rider control. The front and rear disc brakes provide reliable stopping power, while the suspension, featuring long travel and adjustable damping, absorbs hard landings with ease. The ergonomics are designed for aggressive riding, giving riders complete command over the bike in every condition. Conclusion. The Kawasaki KX 500 isn't just a motorcycle, it's a legend that defines the golden era of two-stroke performance. Its blend of brute power, simplicity, and durability makes it a benchmark for off-road machines even today. For riders who want a pure, no-compromise dirt experience, the KX 500 remains the ultimate thrill ride. Stay tuned to Highway Legends for more deep dives into the world's most iconic motorcycles.